Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Erode location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So, firstly, there is a job opening for Associate Manager position for Quality Assurance QA. So, it is from Answer. Coming to responsibilities and duties, like maintaining and continually improving the quality management system, document control and record control in the planet, overall responsibility of managing SOPs, achieving records, ensuring adequacy and of records used in the plant, and conducting IQA as per the pre-specified frequencies, initiate CAPA projects for the issues arise time to time and monitor the effectiveness of the corrective actions, issue NCMRs for the product or materials which are non-conforming, overall responsibility of microbiology tests, and carry out incoming inspection for all receiving materials, and carry out in process inspection, carry out final release inspection, and ensuring the quality of outgoing product. And also you need to having the knowledge in handling of customer complaints, such as the receiving, investigating, and responding, and also follow up the effectiveness of corrective actions. So these are the responsibilities. So coming to education qualification details, like you should have done bachelor's degree and internal quality auditor training and lead auditor or diploma in quality management, and you should be having at least 6 to 8 years of experience in quality to apply for this position, and also knowledge and skills. So high degree of computer literacy, data analysis and report preparation, and preparation of presentation slides knowledge should be there. And coming to like desirable job competencies, ability of interact with internal and external customers at all levels to develop relationship, and good knowledge of the quality management systems, and good interpersonal and presentation skills are required, and also good knowledge in microbiology tests. So these are the details about this position. So interested candidates, if you are looking for this type of job role, this will be the very good opportunity for you. So you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Job opening for agency leader. So it is from AG's Federal Life Insurance. So the batch period would be 3 months, and you are going to get the stipend will be 60,000 rupees FIC, and overall it will be 3 months based on the performance. So any degree candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and the 10 vacancies are available for this position. So the agency leader will eligible for the performance based fixed basic salary and also variable payouts as mentioned below, such as fixed basic salary and monthly active new licensed advisor allowance, and monthly production bonus, and monthly advisor activation allowance. So these are the benefits you are going to get. And coming to other benefits like flexible work timing and performance based promotion, mediclaim to employee and their family, and the foreign trips as per the achievement rewards and recognitions. So these are the benefits you are going to get for this agency leader position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description to apply, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for sales and account manager position. It is from Prodigy Education. So coming to responsibilities, like you work towards rapid scale up and closure of monetized schools in your area, and accurately forecast future sales results, adapting to constant changes in the market, and also you need to manage the product usage metrics of the Prodigy schools in your area, and present daily, weekly KPIs to your manager. So these are the responsibilities. Please you can check with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. So coming to requirements, it will be like you should be having 4 to 6 years of experience in solutions selling and an understanding of subscription business models, and able to effectively identify customer needs and communicate the value of Prodigy and present to key stakeholders in schools, and an independent self-starter comfortable with ambiguity and resilient, and able to manage your pipeline by forecasting and planning your activity, and be able to improve their sales process by trying new techniques and developing new resources, and you should be able to help onboarding and mentor new sales team members, and excited to learn about game-based learning instructional strategies. So these are the requirements and the responsibilities. So you can check here with all the things mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this position, if you are interested, so I have provided the link in the description, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for Assistant Manager Digital Product Finance Growth. So it is from Bajaj Finserv. So coming to required qualifications and experience, you should be having MBA with 3 to 4 years of experience, or graduate with minimum 5 years of experience, and prior exposure to sales role too is highly desirable, and also you should be having good communication and interpersonal skills, good relationship management skills, and proficient in MS Office, and also ability to coordinate with various departments within the organization. So coming to job responsibilities, you need to manage FOS, recruit, train and motivate the team, and manage channel relationships, and drive sales numbers and increase finance penetration, meet allocated sales targets, and manage the sales process, ensure process rigor and controllership, and ensure smooth service delivery to channel partners TTC, and you need to manage the FOS productivity, reconciliation of dealer payments. So these are the details about this assistant manager position. If you are interested to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description, so you can go through that. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing position. So it is like a digital marketing executive position. It will be a full-time job from Boom HR Solution. So for this position, you should be having 4 to 5 years of experience. So coming to about the job description, plans and executes all web, SEO or SEM, database marketing, email, social media and display advertising campaigns, and designs, builds and maintains their social media presence, and measures and reports performance of all digital marketing campaigns and assets against goals, ROI and KPIs, and identifies trends and insights and optimizes spend and performance based on the insights, and brainstorm new and creative growth strategies through digital marketing, and plans, executes and measures experiments and conversion tests, and collaborates with internal teams to create landing pages and optimize user experience, and utilizes strong analytical ability to evaluate end-to-end customer experience across multiple channels and customer touchpoints, and identifies critical conversion points and drop-off points, and optimizes user funnels. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. If you want to apply for this digital marketing executive position, I have provided the link in the description. You can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager. It will be like entry level as a full-time job. So it is from Kegel, India. So the industry will be authorized dealers for ELGI compressor or Voltas forklifts or SMC pneumatics, and so the nature of the work will be sales engineer coordination and team management. So only one vacancy is available for this position, and the timings will be 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So the age limit should be 30 to 35 years. So for this position, you should be having minimum 3 years of experience, and it is only for male candidates, and the salary will be 15,000 to 20,000 rupees based on the experience. So any degree candidates are eligible, and the leave policy will be Sunday. So you are going to get these benefits like ESI and PF, but there are no allowances, bond, food and accommodation for this position. So interested candidates like who are looking for this type of opportunity, I have provided the link in the description to apply for this position. You can go through it there. Next one, there is a job opening for Safeguard Socialist position. It is from Anai Info Developers Limited. So only four positions, like four vacancies are available for this socialist position, and the qualification will be MA Sociology or Social Science or Social Work. The candidates must have minimum 2 years of experience in construction industry. So the salary will be 18,000 to 22,000 rupees per month. So you are going to get the accommodation and food. Food. So these are the benefits you are going to get. So you can also check here with the interview address. And so if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@annainfra.com. hr@annainfra.com. Next one, there is a job opening for Business Development Executive position. It is from Mass AV Tech. So coming to about the job, the candidate must possess strong customer service skills, good communication skills in Tamil and English, and also familiarity with MS Office. Next one, there is a job opening for Fabric Merchandiser position. It is from Dinesh Exports Private Limited. So coming to about the job, they are looking for an experienced fabric merchandiser to join their team to work full time from office located at the Erode, Tamil Nadu. So the candidate should be having the skills mentioned here, such as weaving knowledge, dyeing and yarn dyed. So the salary will be negotiable for this position. So interested candidates to apply for the positions mentioned here, you can check in the description for the links.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.